Richard Phibbs / Paramount Plus. Besides the requisite charisma, uniqueness, nerve and talent, all the contestants on the new season of RuPaul's Drag Race, All Stars have something in common: a crown. After years of fans calling for former champions to return to the workroom, the juggernaut reality TV franchise is finally launching its first ever all-winners season, Paramount Plus announced on Wednesday. The 7th season of the Drag Race spinoff will see 8 returning queens, who previously won one of the franchise's many iterations, sashay back into the competition to battle it out for the title of Queen of All Queens and a cash prize of $200,000, the largest in the show's history. The new season will bout on Paramount Plus May 20th, weeks after the 14th season of the franchise's flagship series crowns its winner. New episodes of RuPaul's Drag Race, All Stars, Untucked will also be available to stream. RuPaul will return once again to oversee the series, but it's currently unclear who will join the drag legend on the judges' panel or exactly how the queens will compete. Rumors have swirled that the season's winner will be determined by a points system instead of the standard elimination rules. As for who will be returning to snatch another crown, RuPaul's Drag Race, All Stars Season 7 will feature Jada Essence Hall, Jinx Monsoon, Monet Exchange, Trinity the Tuck, Raja, Shea Coulee, Evie Oddly, and The Vivienne, the sole British queen who won the inaugural season of RuPaul's Drag Race UK. Take a look at the 8 returning Drag Race winners below. Jada Essence Hall, Season 12. Richard Phibbs / Paramount Plus. Jinx Monsoon, Season 5. Richard Phibbs / Paramount Plus. Monet Exchange, Season 10, All Stars Season 4. Richard Phibbs / Paramount Plus. Raja, Season 3. Richard Phibbs / Paramount Plus. Shea Coulee, Season 9, All Stars Season 5. Richard Phibbs / Paramount Plus. Trinity the Tuck, Season 9, All Stars Season 4. Richard Phibbs / Paramount Plus. The Vivienne, RuPaul's Drag Race UK Season 1. Richard Phibbs / Paramount Plus. Evie Oddly, Season 11. Richard Phibbs / Paramount Plus. Watch the casting announcement in the video below.